Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now we discuss detailed information about sclerenchyma. Simple tissues are broadly divided into three types. The first one, parenchyma, second tissue, collenchyma, third tissue, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, it is a dead mechanical tissue. There are mechanical tissues are two types are there. Living mechanical tissue, collenchyma, but whereas dead mechanical tissue, sclerenchyma. Due to lack of protoplast, these are the dead cells. All sclerenchymatous cells, either may be fiber or sclerids, they do not consist to protoplast. Cytoplasm completely absent. Nucleoplasm is absent, even cell membrane also absent. Because of that, they are completely dead cells. Sclerenchyma cells, they are elongated cells. Next, all sclerenchymatous cells, the cell wall that is the made up of lignin. The presence of lignin in the cell wall of the cells, that cells are known as lignified cells. The cell wall consists lignin. Such type of cells are called lignified cells. Sclerenchyma, it consists of two kinds of cells. Based on the shape and structure, they are broadly divided into two types. The first type of cells are known as fibers. It is the structure of fiber. Second type of cell, that is known as sclerid. So here the fiber and sclerid, once you observe the structure of the fiber it is elongated cells. So the fibers are usually they are elongated cells. Now they have pointed ends will be there. So once if you observe this one, the pointed end, the fiber, each and every fiber consists internally empty space that is called lumen. But here the important point about fiber, it has large lumen. But here the thickened cell wall also you can find the lignin will be there, but thickness it is more. So here the most important thing, fibers, they give mechanical support to various parts of the plant body. These fibers, they occur usually in the form of groups. The fibers, how they occurs in the form of group. Means the many fibers, they occur in different parts of the plant body. It is easy to remember the where you can find these fibers. I am talking about fibers. Fibers found in, so easy to remember, PVC. PVC pipes will be there, no? PVC, easy to remember. P for pericycle. It is, you can find outer part of the steel. So here the pericycle, in the pericycle you can find many fibers. And next V for vascular bundles. So in the vascular bundles also you can find fibers. Next, C for cortex. So these fibers also found in the cortex, but how they occur? Usually they occur in the form of group. The many fibers, they are located at different parts of the plant body for giving mechanical support. Next, second type of cells, they are called sclerids. But here the sclerid also known as stone cell, because they appears like stone. The main important point about sclerids appears different shapes. They may appear the spherical, or they may appear oval, or they may appear cylindrical. They appear different shapes. That most important point, once you observe the fiber lumen, the broad lumen, large lumen you can find, but whereas the sclerid, it has narrow lumen. The narrow lumen you can find in the sclerid, very less empty space. Lumen, the space which is found inside the cell, will be very small comparatively the fiber. Next, highly thickened cell wall. Thickened cell wall you can find. So, but thickness, it will be highly thickened cell wall you can find. This is total cell wall of the sclerid. So, once you observe from here to here, that is the total lignified wall only. Cell wall, it will be very more thickness you can find comparatively fiber. Next, most important point about fiber. Fibers and as well as sclerids, they have pits. So here the pits are narrow pits you can find, small, the apertures you can find from lumen to outside. Here the fibers and sclerids, they may consist few or numerous pits will be there. The both, either fibers consist of small pits or small apertures, and as well as second type of cell, that is sclerid, also consist many pits. But examination point of view, very important point about the sclerids. So sclerids, they found different parts of the plant body. So the first sclerids, where they found fruit wall of nuts. The fruit wall of the nuts you can find sclerids. Many sclerids will be there. So next, as well as pulp of different fruits. So it is examination point of view important. How to remember here? GPS. Pulp of GPS fruits. G for guava, P for pear fruit, S for sapota. These three fruits pulp consist sclerids. Another important point, so here the seed coat of legumes. So the legumes, Leguminosae family seed coat. So the outside the seed you can find seed coat will be there, no, testa, tegmen. That also consists, especially the Leguminosae family, legumes family seed coat consist many sclerids. That's why seed coat, it will be very hard due to presence of sclerids. And as well as leaves of the tea. So tea leaves also consist more number of sclerids. So here the most important thing, this sclerenchyma tissue completely dead. It is a type of simple tissue, so it gives mechanical support to various organs of the plant body. The main important function of the sclerenchyma, mechanical support.